Hi everyone, I'm Jess, account manager at Aetina. The one beside me is our product manager of multi-display series, Emily.
Hi everyone, I'm PM Emily. Nice to meet you.
Today we are talking about our latest multi-display product, M3 Box, which is just released last month in December 2020. Emily is responsible for this product line at Aetina. I couldn't find anyone more suitable for this topic than her. Let's take a look at this tiny little box and see how amazing it is. So Emily, I'm just curious, how did you come up with the name M3 Box and what does it stand for?
M3, it is short for Multi Monitors Marvel, presenting Aetina's multi-display product series, which means that we provide a miracle and spectacular vision product to all. And we use the concept of 3, means it will provide you 3 times and beyond your imagination.
It sounds awesome! I believe our user who needs multi-display solutions will really like to know more about this. So what can we expect from it?
M3 Box is multi-display 3 box. To combine with any kind of graphics card, will come out with different screen and different layout.
So this is our splitter box series?
Yes, Aetina's 3 box is super easy and convenient to use without any driver, and it will build in EDID kitchen. You may wonder, what's EDID kitchen? It means even if the screen is not working and the cable is unplugged, the resolution of video wall will not be disordered, and the original combination arrangement order can be maintained.
Wow, a lot of function of this tiny little box. You've mentioned that you got a series. So how many boxes do you have? And what's the feature of each? I bet the audience will like to know more about it.
Now we got 3 types of M3 box. They are MSB-DP24H, MSB-DP28H, and MSB-DP39H. First, we will start with by 4 displays box, which can reach up to 8K resolution. For example, it could be used in company lobby to present their product demo or slideshow to their customers. Second, the by 8 displays box. The maximum resolution is 16K. This size of split box will normally deploy in hypermarket or exhibition center as a huge banner. The last, the by 9 displays box, reach up to 5760 by 3240 resolution. Could demo in the scenario of airport, metro station, and large exhibition. The 3 boxes I just mentioned are the newest release of our M3 boxes series.
Okay, let's say if I rent the digital wall outside of Taipei Arena and like to show Aetina's products, is it possible to do with the M3 box? Because the application scenario is much bigger than you've mentioned.
Of course, for example, if you would like to build by 16 video wall, you can just get 2 of my MSB-DP20HH box, input 4 display port for an amazing 16 video wall.
After Emily's introduction, I think it's time for us to see where we can deploy the video walls with M3 Box. The first come to your mind may be the video walls in security room, or the eye-catching video walls in the shopping malls. But actually there are more application scenarios. In medical fields, it can really help doctors and medical researchers to do pathological analysis because they need to base on the CT scan and MRI photos to evaluate and diagnose. There is another scenario got so popular last year. During pandemic, our life has changed. People started to work from home and students started to take online courses, but we still need to connect to people. With multi-display solutions, we can hold a big meeting and catch up with everyone more easily.
Thank you for showing us the M3 scenario, Jess. Next, we would like to share more features with you. First, our boxes support pixel-to-pixel output, which means the box will transit the exact resolution from GPU.
Another feature is that the M3 box is compatible with VGA cards from any brands. which means you can use NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphic cards. It's very convenient, super flexible, and extremely easy to meet your needs.
All of both is our introduction of M3 box today. If you have any question or further interest, please contact with us by sales@aetina.com or scan QR code here to fill out online inquiry.
If you like our video, please subscribe us on YouTube, follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook. More information on our website, aetina.com. Thank you for watching today. See you next time.
Bye bye.